The Camaro disappeared after 2024, but now this 2027 Chevrolet Camaro concept looks like it's getting ready for one seriously dramatic comeback. And honestly, Chevy didn't just redesign the old car. It looks like they dragged the Camaro into the future. Just look at this thing. Low, wide, muscular, aggressive. And somehow, it still has that unmistakable Camaro attitude without simply copying the previous generation. Compared with the 2024 Camaro, the biggest change is immediately obvious up front. The old car had narrow headlights, a more traditional upper grille, and a front end that looked angry from almost every angle. This new concept keeps the aggression, but the entire face is cleaner and more futuristic. You get ultra-thin LED lighting stretching across the front, a slimmer upper grille, and a massive lower intake that makes the car look wider and lower than the 2024 model. It almost looks like a Camaro wearing Corvette-inspired armor. Then there's the hood. The 2024 Camaro already had a long, muscular hood, but this concept makes it look even more sculpted. The black racing stripes run across the entire car, giving it that classic American muscle car personality without making the design feel stuck in the past. From the side, the overall formula hasn't changed. Long hood, short rear deck, 2 doors, huge rear haunches. Exactly how a Camaro should look. But compared with the 2024 model, this concept appears smoother and less cluttered. The body lines flow more naturally, the roof looks sleeker, and the wheel arches feel even more pronounced. It still looks like a proper muscle car, but now it has the cleaner proportions of a modern Grand Tour. And then we get to the rear. This might be the biggest improvement. The 2024 Camaro had 4 individual taillight sections and a fairly busy rear bumper. This concept simplifies everything with sharper LED lighting, a cleaner trunk design, and a much more aggressive diffuser. And yes, it still has 4 exhaust outlets. Because apparently subtlety was never invited to this meeting. The rear is wider, more planted, and noticeably more modern than the old Camaro. It looks less like an updated 6th generation model and more like the beginning of an entirely new chapter. Now, nothing has been officially released about the engine. No horsepower figures, no confirmed transmission, no official performance numbers. So right now, anything underneath the hood would be pure speculation. But whatever powers it, Chevrolet knows the Camaro name comes with expectations. It has to look intimidating, it has to feel special, and it has to give Mustang owners something new to argue about online. The 2024 Camaro was aggressive, compact, and unmistakably old school. This 2027 concept feels wider, cleaner, more futuristic, and almost exotic. It keeps the Camaro's muscle car proportions while giving the design a much-needed fresh identity. And if Chevrolet actually turns this concept into a production car, the Ford Mustang might finally have a serious problem again. Honestly, this looks less like a simple Camaro redesign and more like the beginning of the Camaro's second life.